Don't let outdated spreadsheets and scattered tools cost you leads and valuable clients. Let's see how Sales Manager Alex uses Lark CRM to solve these challenges. With zero coding and minimal setup, he can manage the entire sales journey in one place, from capturing leads to closing deals. Let's start with the leads table. Here, Alex adds custom fields to capture client details like company name, title, and email. He also creates a lead capture form and embeds it on the company website. Every submission instantly syncs into the leads table as a new record. If a lead comes through email, the system can log it automatically. AI can then extract the key details, drafts a reply, and sends it to the customer. Alex also sets advanced permissions, so each salesperson only sees the leads they're responsible for. Once a lead is collected, he can send it with one click to the contacts table for follow-up. If the lead is qualified, it will also sync automatically into the accounts table. In the accounts table, AI goes further by helping Alex enrich client data, highlighting key insights, and assigning the right salesperson to follow up in seconds. When a major opportunity comes in, Lark automatically creates a group chat for the sales team, pushing updates and notifications directly to the group chat. No need for manual work. Every automation runs on its own, so Alex's team never misses an opportunity. Each time his team logs a customer interaction, AI scores the opportunity, helping them prioritize high-value leads. The dashboard gives a real-time view of performance. Total revenue, follow-up rankings, and overdue opportunities are all crystal clear. If there's a risk, Alex can jump straight into the group chat and solve it with the team. And whether he's traveling or meeting a client, Alex can follow up on any deal right from his phone. In the deals table, Alex can instantly see each customer's current stage and deal value. When a client reaches a critical stage like price negotiation, Ethan, the rep in charge, submits a discount request using Lark approval. Alex gets the notification right away. He can review the details or approve the request on the spot. Whether you're in tech, e-commerce, retail, or any other industries, Lark CRM helps your team respond faster, close deals faster, and never miss an opportunity. It's time to build your own CRM system with Lark.